Introducing Medio, your biomedical servicing toolbox. With Medio, you can manage your rental equipment, run diagnostics, organize your contracts, and gain access to a powerful suite of resources. The rental management feature allows you to track how much you're spending on rental equipment with detailed cost reporting and notifications. Medio Diagnostics utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to assist you in troubleshooting equipment issues. Medio also offers a suite of resources for career advancement, knowledge base, and work aids. Access and manage all your contract-related information in one place with the Medio toolbox. Meet Medio.